So again, jQuery code always starts with dollar, remember. And what is the selector over there? If you guys can guess the selector, what is the selector I can use here? Yes, anybody? What could be the selector over there which I can use? What is the selector? Div, awesome, great. But to be more specific, okay, we are using a class over there. So dot, the class name is test over there. Okay, dot HTML, I'll say. So this HTML, okay, this is the counterpart of document dot get elements by class name of whatever the class test of 0 dot inner HTML. So this is the background code for that particular piece of code which we have written over there. Okay, so let's see what this returns. Okay, I'll say var text equal to, okay, so what I'm doing is I'm pulling the text, welcome Taufik, Sandeep, Priyanka, Pawan, Malika to Tutoslive, and I'll use alert here. Let's see, alert text I say. Let's refresh. You see here, it pulled out everything over there, whatever there, it pulled out everything and has put here. Now I can manipulate this. Let's see how can I do that. I'll comment out this and I'll say text equal to, okay, so text equal to, I'll say h2 class equal to, let's use a bootstrap. I don't know if you guys are familiar with bootstrap. Bootstrap is a front-end framework. Okay, it's a front-end framework, so I'll include that here. Link href equal to bootstrap file is in our styles, that is bootstrap dot min.js, oh sorry, min.css. So bootstrap is nothing but a front-end, styling file. It's a framework style sheet. So let's see what it does. Okay, here I'll use a class called alert success. So here and plus text plus h2. Okay, now what I do here is dot test dot HTML. So this method, now I am passing a parameter called text. Okay, this is what I am passing. If I do not pass a parameter, it pulls off the content. If I pass a parameter, it puts the content. Just remember that. Okay, I'll be writing here in the class that. So for jQuery methods, let's say I call it as method again. For jQuery methods, if you do not give a parameter, okay, then it pulls. Okay, if you give a parameter, then it puts. Okay, remember this. Now in the first case I did not give a parameter, hence it pulled the information, it pulled the text. So when .html means pull the text. Now here I'm putting something over there. Now let's see what it does really. So here, okay, the bootstrap file is not included, so let's see. CSS, it's included. Let's see. Oh, actually this should work. Now let's see. Okay, there's an error, it seems. So let's see what is that error. Okay, this is the error. Fine, it works now. Now you see, oh, is it going all the way? Okay, now you see it, I have changed everything using JavaScript in only single line. If you could see, it's only a single line. This is a single line. I can put anything here instead of text. Okay, I'll say no, welcome Sagar. I'll say. You see here. Oh, there's another error here. What is that? Okay, okay, I know the error. It assumes it to be a. Now this works. I'm sorry. So you see, I changed everything. I can change everything using JavaScript. I can change images. I can change the content. I can change the styling. I can change anything using JavaScript. So that is the power of JavaScript. Now the power has been increased using jQuery. I mean, it has become more light. Simple things like you don't have to write. Uh, very huge code for doing small things. Now you can write a little bit of code and do more things. So that's why it says write less and do more. Okay, any questions here? I mean, do not worry about anything. There's a proper documentation out there, and I'll be giving you guys assignments. So you'll be working on assignments in the sense here there are applications actually, not like some 1 plus 1 equal to 2 assignments. These are like, I'll ask you guys to make a slideshow. Okay, and trust me, try it. If you fail at it, yeah, I'm here. I'll help you guys how to do a slideshow. How can we pull in a plugin and implement it in our website? So I'll tell that too. Okay. Now, let's see one more thing here. So here, what I do is like again, I'll say text equal to text plus. Okay. No, welcome Sagar. You are learning jQuery at Tutoslive. Okay, now let's see what it does. Okay, plus is a concatenation operator over there. Concatenation in sense is it adds everything to itself. Here I said text plus, right? You can see here. So here first text is this. The next text, okay, next text. I can even yeah, let that be. In the next text, this will be added to this. It adds to strings. So that's a concatenation operator over there. Okay, let's see. See here, you're learning jQuery at Tutoslive, so it gets added over there. Okay, and I can give a class to this too. Here I'll say span, let's say. Okay, span class equal to. Need not worry about these classes. These classes are all bootstrap classes. You can go back to our classes and navigate through bootstrap, all the things which you will be learning. If you find it difficult to understand here, you can jump back. As I said, I'll show in a while. So I'll refresh this. Now you see a class is added to this, and I'll add my custom style here. My custom style. So my custom style is, I'll add it to the body. Okay, here I'll say margin. It's a 10 pixel. I want it. Oops. I want it to be sticking to the borders. Alright, it's not sticking to the borders now. There's a gap here. So any questions here?